Welcome to part 3 of the tutorial on how to complete and submit the IT12EI return for approved exempt institution. In the previous video, we demonstrated how to request the tax return on SARS eFiling. In this session, we will explain the completion of the tax return starting from the particulars of the organization. Under financial year end, select the year, month, and the day on the drop-down list. Then select the type of organization. Type of organization to select are as follows: company that is registered with CIPC or trust that is registered with the Master of the High Court, or select other. Examples of other include non-profit organizations, public schools, universities, institutions, or associations of persons. Complete contact email address with the email address of the registered representative of the exempt institution or that of the organization. Ensure that the email address is correct and in full. Complete the contact phone number with the contact number of the registered representative of the exempt institution. Complete the sections that are relevant to the exempt institution under this section that deals with general financial information. This section refers to the financial information of the exempt institution for the financial year. The amounts in this section must correspond to the amounts reflected in the annual financial statements. If the exempt institution received rental or investment income, indicate how much was received for the year of assessment. If no rental or investment income was received, indicate 0. Please note, rental and investment income might be taxable, dependent on the tax-exempt institution category and requirements. Donations received indicate how much money was received from local donors. These are all donations received from South African citizens and entities. Indicate how much money was received from foreign donors. These are donations received from donors outside of the borders of South Africa. If no donations received from both local and foreign, indicate 0. Indicate membership fees and subscriptions received if applicable. This would be used by professional bodies, membership associations, and recreational clubs. If no membership fees and subscriptions were received, enter 0. Indicate levies received, if applicable. If no levies were received, indicate 0. Then, indicate subsidies and/or grants received, if applicable. If no subsidies and/or grants were received, indicate 0. If applicable, indicate the proceeds from the disposal of capital assets. Example, property sold by the exempt institution and the funds received. If no capital assets were disposed of, indicate 0. Indicate other income and provide a description. Example, if the exempt institution had fundraising activities, this would be indicated here. Only complete this section if it is applicable. The total receipts and accruals is the total of all the receipts declared or accrued by the exempt institution. All monies and goods, fair market value, received by the entity. The total expenditure of the exempt institution is amount of the total expenses incurred during the financial year by exempt institution. And that concludes part 3 of the tutorial on how to complete and submit the IT12EI return for approved exempt institutions. Stay tuned for part 4. SARS at your service.